Using the iPad email app. After viewing this video, you will be familiar with the basics of navigating and using the iPad email app. This video assumes you have already connected your iPad email app to your district Outlook email. If you have not already done so, please stop viewing this video and view the Set Up iPad Email App video first. To get maximum benefit from this video, it is suggested you view it on a computer while practicing the demonstrated tasks on your iPad. You can pause the video and re-watch portions of it at any time as needed. We're going to take a look at some basics of using the iPad email app. First, open your mail by tapping the Mail app icon. The very first time you open your email, it may not go straight to your inbox. Simply tap Inbox in the left-hand navigation. Now you will see all of the messages that are in your mail inbox. The first thing you'll probably want to know how to do is reply to an email. So this email at the bottom is selected because it is gray, and I'm going to read the email. Got a nice answer back about when I can get my teacher iPad. To reply, I simply hit the arrow in the top navigation and then I tap reply and I type my message. Once I'm finished typing my message, I simply tap send in the top right corner and it's gone. If I want to confirm that that email actually sent, I can tap the mailboxes arrow at the top here and then tap my sent mail, and there it is. At 8:57 a.m. this email went out. I simply tap mailboxes and then inbox to get back to my email again. Now let me read another email. I got some information here about reporting technology problems through Eduphoria Help Desk. So I'm going to reply and thank someone for that. But I also want to copy another person I spoke to about this so that they know I got the information. To copy someone, I simply tap in the CC field and begin typing their name. The email address list should come up and I simply tap that person's name to add them. After I am finished typing their name, I can just type my response and tap send, and I'm done. If you want to compose an email from scratch, you simply tap the compose icon in the top right and a brand new message will come up. You can type the email addresses of the people you want to write to and then give it a subject, type your message, and then hit send. One other thing you might be interested in doing from your iPad email app is moving an email from your inbox to another folder that you set up in your email on your computer. So for example, I have this email about Apple iCloud and its terms and conditions, and I want to save that. So to move an email to a folder, you make sure you have selected the email. You tap the folder icon in the top navigation, then you tap the folder that you want this to go into. I want this to go into my Apple folder. So there it went and it's done, and it takes me back to my inbox. Another thing you will probably want to do is delete emails when you're done with them if you don't need them anymore. So for example, this email, I've already replied to it. So I have it selected. I'm just going to tap the trash can icon in the top navigation and the email is gone. So it will also be gone when I check my computer email as well. One other quick note as you're looking at your inbox, there are some icons that will let you know what's going on with an email. So for example, this blue dot next to the second email in my list indicates that that email is unread, and so I can tap on it to make sure that I've read it. This is something very important that I want to see again when I get on my computer, so I want to mark it as unread so that it will get my attention. To mark an email as unread after you've already read it, simply tap the flag icon and tap Mark as Unread. Notice my blue dot came back. Another icon that might be helpful to you is the arrow icon. You can see it on the third email here in my list. That simply means that I have sent a reply to that email. Those are the basics of using your iPad email app. There are of course a few more functions, but you can poke around and discover those for yourself. This concludes our video on the basics of using the iPad email app. If you are watching this video as part of iPad Basic Training, please proceed to the next section as instructed in the online materials.